Welcome to our journey into the world of computing concepts. In this video, we'll break down the essential ideas that form the backbone of modern technology. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, understanding these core concepts will help you navigate the digital world with confidence. We'll start by exploring what computing really means, why it's so important in our daily lives, and how it impacts everything from communication to business. Let's dive in and discover how computing shapes the world around us. Computing is more than just using a computer. It's the process of using technology to solve problems, process information, and automate tasks. At its core, computing involves inputting data, processing it, and producing output. This cycle is fundamental to everything from simple calculators to complex artificial intelligence systems. By understanding this basic flow, you'll see how computers help us in countless ways, making our lives easier and more efficient. History of computing stretches back centuries, from ancient tools like the abacus to today's powerful smartphones. Early mechanical devices helped people perform calculations, but the real revolution began with electronic computers in the 20th century. Over time, computers have become smaller, faster, and more accessible, transforming how we live and work. Understanding this evolution gives us perspective on how far technology has come and where it might go next. Let's talk about hardware, the physical parts of a computer. This includes the central processing unit, CPU, memory, storage devices, and input-output components like keyboards and screens. Each part plays a unique role in making the computer function. The CPU acts as the brain, memory stores temporary data, and storage keeps information long-term. Understanding hardware helps you appreciate how computers physically operate and interact with the world. Hardware is the body, software is the soul of a computer. Software refers to the programs and operating systems that tell the hardware what to do. From word processors to games and web browsers, software enables us to perform a wide range of tasks. Operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux manage the hardware and provide a platform for other programs to run. Without software, hardware would be useless. Input and output are fundamental concepts in computing. Input devices like keyboards and mice allow us to send data to the computer. Output devices such as monitors and printers let the computer communicate results back to us. This exchange of information is what makes computers interactive and useful. By understanding how input and output work, you'll see how we interact with technology every day. Data is the raw material of computing: numbers, text, images, and more. When data is processed and organized, it becomes information which is meaningful and useful. Computers excel at handling vast amounts of data, transforming it into information that helps us make decisions, solve problems, and learn new things. Understanding the difference between data and information is crucial for anyone interested in technology. The heart of every computer is the binary system. Computers use only two digits, 0 and 1, to represent all data and instructions. This simple yet powerful system allows computers to process information quickly and reliably. Understanding binary helps you appreciate how computers store everything from photos to music and even complex programs using just two symbols. Programming languages are the tools we use to communicate with computers. Languages like Python, Java, and C++ allow us to write instructions that the computer can understand and execute. Each language has its strengths and is suited for different tasks, from building websites to controlling robots. Learning about programming languages opens up endless possibilities for creating and innovating with technology. Algorithms are step-by-step instructions for solving problems or performing tasks. They are the foundation of all computer programs, guiding the computer on what to do and how to do it. From sorting a list to searching for information, algorithms make computing efficient and effective. Understanding algorithms helps you see the logic behind the technology you use every day. Operating systems are the backbone of any computer. They manage hardware resources, provide a user interface, and allow other software to run smoothly. Popular operating systems include Windows, macOS, and Linux. Each has its unique features and strengths, but all serve the same purpose: making it easier for us to use computers and get things done. Computers rarely work alone. Networks connect computers, allowing them to share information and resources. The internet is the largest network, linking billions of devices worldwide. Understanding how networks work helps you see how information travels, how we communicate online, and why security is so important in our connected world. Cloud computing has changed the way we use technology. Instead of storing data and running programs on a local computer, cloud computing lets us access resources over the internet. This means we can work from anywhere, collaborate easily, and scale up or down as needed. Cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox are just the beginning of what's possible with this powerful concept. Databases are organized collections of data that computers can easily access, manage, and update. They are essential for everything from websites to banking systems. Databases help store information efficiently and allow quick searches and updates. Understanding how databases work gives you insight into how large amounts of information are handled behind the scenes. So much information online, keeping data safe is more important than ever. Cybersecurity involves protecting computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access and attacks. This includes using strong passwords, encryption, and firewalls. By understanding cybersecurity, you can help protect yourself and your information in the digital world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computing that enables machines to learn, reason, and make decisions. AI powers technologies like voice assistants, recommendation systems, and self-driving cars. By mimicking human intelligence, AI is transforming industries and changing the way we interact with technology. Understanding AI helps you see the future possibilities of computing. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on teaching computers to learn from data. Instead of following explicit instructions, machines use algorithms to find patterns and make predictions. This technology is behind everything from spam filters to personalized recommendations. Understanding machine learning gives you a glimpse into how computers can adapt and improve over time. Data refers to extremely large datasets that are too complex for traditional data processing tools. By analyzing big data, organizations can uncover trends, make better decisions, and create new opportunities. Technologies like Hadoop and Spark help manage and process big data efficiently. Understanding big data is key to seeing how information drives the modern world. Internet of Things, or IoT, connects everyday objects to the internet, allowing them to collect and share data. From smart thermostats to wearable fitness trackers, IoT devices make our lives more convenient and efficient. Understanding IoT helps you see how technology is becoming more integrated into our daily routines. Computer networks are systems that connect multiple computers and devices, enabling them to communicate and share resources. Networks can be as small as a home Wi-Fi setup or as large as the global internet. Understanding how networks operate helps you appreciate the complexity and power of our connected world. Web browsers are the gateways to the internet. Programs like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari allow us to access websites, watch videos, and connect with others online. Browsers interpret web code and display information in a user-friendly way. Understanding how browsers work helps you make the most of your online experience. Mobile computing refers to using portable devices like smartphones and tablets to access information and perform tasks on the go. These devices combine powerful hardware with intuitive software, making it easy to stay connected and productive anywhere. Understanding mobile computing shows how technology fits seamlessly into our fast-paced lives. Computer graphics bring images, animations, and visual effects to life. From video games to movies and design software, graphics technology makes digital experiences more engaging and realistic. Understanding computer graphics helps you appreciate the creativity and technical skill behind the visuals you see every day. User interfaces are how we interact with computers and software. Good interfaces make technology easy to use, while poor ones can be frustrating. From touchscreens to voice commands, user interface design focuses on making digital tools accessible and enjoyable. Understanding user interfaces helps you see the importance of design and technology. Data storage is how computers save information for later use. From hard drives to cloud storage, there are many ways to keep data safe and accessible. Understanding data storage helps you manage your files, back up important information, and make the most of your devices. Computer security is about protecting your devices and data from threats like viruses, malware, and hackers. This involves using antivirus software, keeping systems updated, and practicing safe online habits. Understanding computer security helps you stay safe and secure in the digital world. Software development is the process of designing, coding, testing, and maintaining programs. Developers use programming languages and tools to create software that solves problems and meets user needs. Understanding software development gives you insight into how the apps and programs you use are built. Open source software is software whose source code is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and share. Projects like Linux and Firefox are built by communities of developers around the world. Open source encourages collaboration, transparency, and innovation in technology. Virtualization allows one physical computer to run multiple virtual machines, each with its own operating system and applications. This technology is widely used in data centers and cloud computing, making it easier to manage resources and improve efficiency. Understanding virtualization helps you see how technology can be flexible and scalable. Embedded systems are computers built into other devices like cars, appliances, and medical equipment. These systems perform specific tasks and are often invisible to users. Understanding embedded systems helps you see how computing powers many everyday objects, making them smarter and more efficient. Networking protocols are rules that govern how data is transmitted across networks. Protocols like TCP/IP ensure that information is sent and received accurately and efficiently. Understanding networking protocols helps you appreciate the complexity behind simple actions like sending an email or browsing the web. Encryption is the process of converting information into a code to prevent unauthorized access. It's used to protect sensitive data like online transactions and private messages. Understanding encryption helps you see how your information stays safe as it travels across the internet. Computer architecture refers to the design and organization of a computer's components. This includes how the CPU, memory, and storage work together to process information. Understanding computer architecture helps you see how computers are built for speed, efficiency, and reliability. Digital logic is the foundation of computer circuits. It uses logic gates to process binary information and make decisions. Understanding digital logic helps you see how computers perform calculations and control operations at the most basic level. Peripherals are devices that connect to a computer to add functionality like printers, scanners, and external drives. These devices expand what computers can do, making them more versatile and useful. Understanding peripherals helps you get the most out of your technology. Human-computer interaction, or HCI, studies how people interact with computers and technology. It focuses on making systems easy to use and effective for users. Understanding HCI helps designers create better products and improves our experience with technology. Software updates are important for keeping your programs running smoothly and securely. Updates fix bugs, add new features, and protect against security threats. Understanding the importance of updates helps you maintain your devices and enjoy the latest improvements in technology. Digital communication includes emails, instant messaging, and video calls. These tools make it easy to connect with others, no matter where they are in the world. Understanding digital communication helps you use technology to stay in touch, collaborate, and share ideas effectively. Wearable technology includes devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers that you can wear on your body. These gadgets collect data, monitor health, and keep you connected. Understanding wearable technology shows how computing is becoming more personal and integrated into our daily lives. Virtual reality, or VR, creates immersive digital environments that you can explore and interact with. VR is used in gaming, education, and training, offering new ways to experience and learn. Understanding VR helps you see the exciting possibilities of digital worlds. Augmented reality, or AR, overlays digital information onto the real world. Apps like Pokémon Go and Snapchat filters use AR to blend virtual elements with your surroundings. Understanding AR helps you see how technology can enhance our perception and interaction with the world. Computer ethics deals with the moral and legal issues related to technology use. This includes privacy, intellectual property, and responsible behavior online. Understanding computer ethics helps you make informed decisions and use technology in a fair and respectful way. Green computing focuses on designing and using technology in environmentally friendly ways. This includes energy-efficient hardware, recycling, and reducing electronic waste. Understanding green computing helps you see how technology can be part of a sustainable future. The future of computing is full of exciting possibilities. Advances in quantum computing, AI, and new interfaces will continue to change how we live and work. Staying curious and informed about these trends helps you prepare for the next wave of technological innovation. We've covered a wide range of computing concepts, from basic hardware and software to advanced topics like AI and green computing. Understanding these ideas gives you a strong foundation for exploring technology further. Remember, computing is always evolving, and staying informed will help you make the most of the digital world. Thanks for joining us on this journey into computing concepts.